As you may know, DeepSeek is one of the latest technologies that developed the world's one of the most powerful chatbots similar to ChatGPT and Gemini. This is a short video guide on how to start using DeepSeek's chatbot as a complete beginner. First, to access DeepSeek website, you can type deepseek.com in your browser. Then click on Start Now. You need to create a new account using your email address or phone number to start using DeepSeek. But if you have a Google email account, you can start using DeepSeek right away. After your account has been created and verified, just click on Login and enter your email address and password. After a successful login, you will be directed into the DeepSeek's main page. Just a quick note, after creating an account and logging in, instead of typing deepseek.com in your browser and clicking on Start, you can directly type chat.deepseek.com in your browser to access the main page directly. Now, the main purpose of the program is to answer your questions and provide intelligent solutions for problems as close to a real human as possible, and help in your daily tasks and execute similar actions. Before start using the system, I prefer to go to Settings and change the theme to dark for better appearance. Now let's start the real action. At the middle of the screen, you can see a text bar. This is the main place where you will type your questions and requests to start using DeepSeek. You can type any question you want and expect a proper answer. Let's type a simple question. Can you give me 5 historical places to visit in France? And hit Enter. By asking a question, we entered into a new conversation with DeepSeek, which will try to write a relevant answer. Please note that at the bottom of each answer, there is like and dislike buttons. You can use those buttons to send feedback to the DeepSeek system whether the answer is correct or not. So in the future, the system will use users' feedback to improve the accuracy of its answers and generate better results. If you are not fully happy with the answer, you can ask DeepSeek to regenerate the answer by clicking on the Regenerate button. The system will generate a similar answer, but with a different style and content. Moreover, since we are still in the same conversation, we can ask a follow-up question, such as, "Can you give me more suggestions?" The system will remember that we are still in the topic related to the historical places in France without explicitly mentioning it. Therefore, it will continue answering within the scope of the relevant subject. Now, you can start a new conversation topic by clicking New Chat button at the top left corner. This will force the system to forget the previous topic and start from the scratch. In the new conversation, let's ask the same follow-up question. Can you give me more suggestions? As you can see, the system doesn't know what we mean by more suggestions, because we are now in a completely new topic. We can go back to our previous conversation about historical places from the panel on the left side and continue our questions related to historical places. DeepSeek will recover back and remember all the conversation that we did related to the topic. That's all for this video. As a beginner, we suggest that you try various examples similar to what we did in this video and get familiar with the system. And ask any questions down in the comments below, and we will try to answer within 24 hours at worst cases. More similar tutorials on the way soon. Therefore, like and subscribe, and watch the next video from our channel which is relevant to your interests.